Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, like always, I'm just going to be going over the trades I took for the week. So the two trades I took were both silver trades. So I know it looks a little crazy, but just bear with me for a second. So the silver trade, I feel like the setup was pretty straightforward. Just a 3Y silver price action, so I took it as a confirmation of trend. The thing with this one is that the first one, I wanted to wait because I entered on Sunday night. I wanted to wait till Monday afternoon, because usually what happens is Sunday night market like goes up a little bit or might go up like a decent amount, but usually on Monday it usually retraces. The whole thing just retraces. So I wanted to wait, but then for some reason my psychology was messing with my head. Not some reason, my psychology was messing with my head. So I decided to enter, but I entered for like 0.3% risk, because for some reason I just wanted to enter a trade then, because I felt like I was going to miss the move. So yeah, I entered pretty high. I put my stop loss right around here, just because doing that I miss a lot of stuff that's going on. For example, if I look all the way back here, you have wicks over here, you have price closing over here, you have price closing over here, you have price closing over here as well, price closing over here. We have a bunch of wicks over here, 1, 2 wicks. So I just put my stop loss slightly below that way I can avoid all that price action going on over there. And then the second one, which is this one over here, that was when I entered on Monday afternoon. And although when you look at this, it should look like I'm in profit, right? But thing is, this week my psychology was really weak, so I ended up closing the trade around this area. I don't know why, but for some reason every time I enter a trade and it goes down, like, not every time, but sometimes when I enter a trade and it goes down like a lot, instead of me just letting it play out, because at the end of the day when I enter a trade I risk a certain amount. So if I lose that amount, I'm not exactly too upset about it, because that's the amount I'm fine losing. But for some reason, every now and then, when I see that and I see that the trade keeps going down, and I'm losing profits, or like I'm just in the negative, I want to close it, which doesn't make any sense to me, because if I'm risking what I'm fine with losing, why should I close it early? Yeah, I know you close it early to cut your losses and stuff like that, but I feel like if you're fine with losing that much, then what's the point of even trying to cut your losses? Like, when I put in a trade, I should put it what I feel in terms of hitting, take profit, and what I feel like losing, and then just literally just forget about the trade and just move on with my life. Like, I shouldn't be checking it, and that's where my downfall is. Because if I held that trade, I closed both trades in like a negative $200 profit plus. But if I would have held the trade, first off, one of the trades would have been up over $100 in profit, and the second one would have been literally above break even. So I would literally have been in profit, and by like a decent amount, like almost a whole percent, if I didn't just close the trade and I just held and trusted the strategy. But yeah, I don't know what's going on in my psychology this week. It's just been a little wonky. And then next week I'm probably not going to enter, because we have payroll data coming now, we have unemployment coming now, we have non-farm payroll coming now. So I'm probably going to not trade to try to avoid all that. So I'm not even sure. And then the week after that, we probably have interest rate decisions. I'm not really sure, I haven't checked, but usually interest rate decisions, I think that week. So again, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna say leave a like, because this is a horrible like trade. So you don't have to leave a like. You can leave a dislike. Any comments below, and I'll see you next time.